Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to block the internet connection for a PC using Windows Firewall. First of all, let me explain you the theory behind this configuration. In this configuration, we are going to block HTTP and HTTPS protocols using Windows Firewall. Once those protocols are blocked for a PC, you can't search the internet using the browser because HTTP and HTTPS protocols are the ones which help us to search the internet. But keep in mind that still your PC has the internet connection. All we did was block the protocols which help us to search the internet. Since we have internet connection for the PC, you can give users for access to their mails using a mail client such as Thunderbird and Outlook. So let's start with the configuration. You have to go to the network sharing center first. In there, you can see here there's a tab called Windows Firewall. Once you go there, there's a tab called Advanced Settings here. There are two specific types of roles in here. One is inbound and the other one is outbound. So you have to add a new rule that says block the port numbers which are allocated for HTTP and HTTPS. Let's add a new rule for inbound roles. Click new rule. In here you can see program, port, predefined, custom. I will teach you these things in another lesson. If I simply say, if I click program and go ahead with the configuration, what Windows Firewall do is, it will block the connection to the specified program mentioned here. So in another lesson, I will teach you this. In this case, we are going to block a port, so click port and click next. If you are a network guy, you may already know that HTTP and HTTPS protocols belongs to TCP. So you have to do is you have to put port number 80, which is the port for HTTP, port number 443, which is the port for HTTPS, and click next. And you have to select block the connection. Click next. You don't need to change anything here. Click next. And you have to give a specific name for the configuration that you have done. In this case, I will give internet block. You can give any name that you need. Finish. This is the rule that we have created. And you have to do the same for outbound rules as well. Go to outbound rules, new rule, port, next, 80, comma, 443. Don't forget to keep the comma between these two ports. Click next, block connection, next, nothing changed, next, any name that you need, enter block. Yep, so we have outbound rule as well as we have a inbound rule. So let's browse the internet. Let's go to Google Chrome and let's try to go to YouTube here. Now let's try to search email. You can see the internet access is now blocked by the Windows Firewall. The special thing about this configuration is you have only blocked HTTP and HTTPS protocols, but still your PC has internet connection. So if you ever needed to give access for the mails for the users, you can configure a mail client such as Outlook and Thunderbird for the computer. So in that case, users can view their mails, but they can't search the internet. So this will be a great solution for a small organization which you do not have a external firewall configured. So see you in the next lesson.